be showing you this beautiful, gorgeous slime, and the things you'll be needing are the glue. I'm using school glue, and it's white. This is optional glitter, and this is optional too. Some food coloring, half cup of water, and you'd also need a spoon to mix, or anything else, and some borax, teaspoon of borax, and some water for the borax, half cup, and a bowl. So first we're going to be putting the glue in. You don't have to put all of it in though. Almost ready. So I have put my glue in, and now let's do it with the glitter. And the food coloring. I'm adding 2 drops. You could add as much as you want because I just want mine to be little light. And half a cup of our water. And stir it all up. Stir it really good. It's gonna look not exactly dissolved, but so I've mixed it all up, as you see, if you could see. And now let's add our half cup of water and our teaspoon of borax. And mix it all together again in our borax cup. So I've mixed my borax and pour it not all at once, but little by little. Ooh, it's getting real slimy here. You could also do this with your hands. Okay. And now it's the part that makes your hands gooey. Ooh, this is pretty gooey. Oh my gosh. Look at this slimy guy. Now let's get started to massage it. Voila! Voila! And here's our gorgeous, beautiful slime. Hope you guys enjoyed it, made it, and it was easy for you. Because, yeah. Bye, and this is my first video.